What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quickly need to change this. We're going to go over our friend Matic. Went over Solana yesterday. So currently we're sitting at 53 cents, down about 0.42. A little bit of pullback. Market cap 5.25 billion. 24 volume 281 million. So if we hop into the chart, what we're looking to do is push up in a wave 3. That would take you up to about 58 cents. Now, of course, wave 3s can overextend. If this were to pull back deeper, then what this could be is the micro count could be 1, and then you pull back into 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'd see an extended wave 3. If we pull back towards the 50% retracement. So if we take a fib retracement from the bottom of this low here, this impulse up to the top, yeah, so if we bounce off the 38.2, then it's more likely that you have a 1, 2, 3, 4 push up in a 5. That would take you up to your wave 3 target. That's definitely a high possibility to bounce off about 0.517, the 38.2. But if we do end up pulling back deeper to the 50% at 0.0507 or 61.8 fib level, then you would look at a 1, 2, and you see an extended wave 3. But what I think is likely on the daily chart, I'm seeing this on a lot of charts here, is that we come up, we consolidate, and we create an inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, before seeing that continuation back to the upside. We push up into this resistance, we consolidate, and then you break out of that inverse head and shoulders, and boom, that will take Matic all the way back up to about $1.08. That's what I think is the likely scenario right now, just looking at Ethereum and BTC. But in the short term, if we bounce off the 38.2 at 0.517, then micro 4 push up on a 5 to complete the wave 3, push up to that bullish level of 0.572. But if we were to see a deeper pullback, then you could look at a micro 1, 2, and then you're going to see an extended wave 3. That's what I'm looking at for Matic. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, I do have currently a limit trade that's waiting to be triggered on Gala Games. All you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. You get 10% back on every single one of your fees if you sign up through my link, which is top of the comments. Send me an email after you make your first deposit. I'll give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, where I'm covering many coins, my exact trade setups for crypto and Forex, all in one place. All links are down below. Just send me an email after you make your first deposit. If you don't want to go the Bitfinex route, you can sign up through the Patreon for 10 bucks a month. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.